There are 11 primary use cases for the Agile Cloud Manager, which is a free tool that you can download from agilecloudinstitute.io. Together, these 11 use cases can make it easier for you to drastically simplify the management of your entire IT organization. The 11 use cases complement each other and are as follows. First, one use case is to accelerate customer value creation by allowing you to upgrade multiple applications in parallel. And we'll explain this to you in some detail in subsequent videos, why it's necessary to be able to upgrade multiple applications at the same time and how that enables you to accelerate customer value creation. Second use case enables you to migrate back and forth between different cloud providers. That use case is supported by the Agile Cloud Manager. Third use case involves reducing redundant engineering efforts. In most organizations, the same things are being done again and again, not only within the same engineering groups, but also across different engineering groups in the same organization. That's a use case, and this free tool, the Agile Cloud Manager, addresses that use case. Fourth use case involves encapsulating security components. And what that means is that this tool can enable you to shrink the size of the enterprise attack surface by reducing the amount of code that defines all of your systems and by making it easier to put the smaller amounts of code in software-defined systems under enterprise-level governance so that you can increase the security of each element of the definitions in software of each of your systems. The fifth use case involves enabling you to create cloned copies of your environments very, very quickly at levels that are more meaningful to the company. The sixth use case enables you to operate on business level components of your platform more easily. In other words, enabling you to make changes in your platform that have meaning to the business in a way that's easier. The seventh use case, or another use case, involves integrating all engineering work into one single enterprise pipeline so that it's easier for you to deploy changes across the entire enterprise. An eighth use case enables you to put every aspect of your enterprise value stream under Agile project management. Most enterprises are only partially implementing Agile because there are these areas deep inside an enterprise that have been difficult to put into Agile project management. And this tool, free tool, the Agile Cloud Manager, makes it a lot easier to put all of these other aspects of the enterprise value stream under Agile project management as well. You're also able to simplify the process of governance and of security management and of compliance with this free tool, the Agile Cloud Manager, because it enables you to take an enterprise level strategic approach to each of the elements of your systems down to a more granular level and enable them to be much more reusable and much more operable from a business standpoint. The 10th use case involves integrating any pipeline tool with your infrastructure as code and with your configuration as code. And what is meant here is that you may be using pipeline tools. For example, you may be using Azure DevOps, or you may be using Jenkins, or you may be using GitLab or Bitbucket or GitHub or some other enterprise level pipeline tool. And regardless of which pipeline tool you're using, this tool, this free tool, the Agile Cloud Manager, enables you to integrate that pipeline tool with infrastructure as code and configuration as code. And an 11th use case involves reducing the amount that your engineers are required to learn. And that's implemented on many different levels here by improving reusability and by encapsulating different types of knowledge that are embedded into your systems into reusable elements so that your engineers can focus on the things that they each need to do really well without having to learn huge amounts of things that are outside their scope. These are the 11 use cases, primary use cases of the Agile Cloud Manager. In the next video, we'll go into more detail in the next topic. You can download the Agile Cloud Manager for free at agilecloudinstitute.io, and you can hire the Agile Cloud Institute to perform technical support, training, and consulting. You can get more information and you can contact us through agilecloudinstitute.io.